or under the canopy. If you can hear me loud and clear, leave that place. I don't know who's from the DJ, the music box there. I don't want anything blocking it, please. Please, civil defense, do. Please. We're standing within the height. Please, we don't within the. Please, please, please. Those of you standing, I bet on a manager, and I get a person and I don't know who's all Lochi. Lochi, yes, you ain't by the hand. Please. Security.
Federal Medical Center, local jail for the state. Permit me at this junction to speak about a novel idea that we also conceived just a few weeks ago. To promote the spirit of communal ownership, participation, and sustainable development, upon consultation, we decided to register a People's Company Limited by Guarantee, named the Kogi Central People's Company, which closely mimics the People Association of Singapore. The company will manage assets and participate in necessary charitable interventions for the greater good of Kogi Central communities. And I would say the rationale behind it. I've discovered that in Nigeria, generally, we have lost a sense of ownership. We have lost a sense of community and the reason to look forward for each other and extend that care to projects that are being facilitated by government officials. If a government structure is built, you see that dilapidate quicker than our own personal homes. And so in a bid to develop or renew that spirit of communal ownership and participation, we've decided that some of these assets that we have commissioned recently will be managed by that company for the good interest and benefits of the people. Okay.
Oh, canopy, thank you. No, clay, one in the hall, under the canopy, please. Just go to the under the canopy. You can hear me loud and clear. Leave that place. I don't know who's from the DJ, the music box there. I don't want anything blocking it, please. Please, civil defense, do. Please.